Hi, today's video is a DIY tutorial on how I made notebook or scrapbook from scratch for my kids at school at nearly half the market price and customized to our requirements. Welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Let's begin by collecting materials. Cardstock paper for cover, colored chart papers, ruled or plain sheets for inserts, ruler, pen or pencil, scissors or blade, matching thread and needle. Mark the required dimensions on the chart paper with ruler and pencil. Cut out the chart paper using blade or scissors. This is my stack of colored chart paper sheets. One can use many colors or single color. Only note that they should be of the same dimension. I can use just color sheets or add rule sheets inserts in between the colored sheets. Like this, alternating colored and rule sheets. Next, fold them into half and get a sharp midline crease. Cut a cardstock paper in the same dimensions as the sheets and place it at the back to form the cover. Now to fix all the sheets together, machine sew along the midline or use stapler pins or hand sew as I do. This is my stack of sheets with cover. I marked 4 points 1, 2, 3 and 4 and using a needle I pricked these points through and through so that it is easy for me to sew. There are corresponding holes at the back of the cover as well. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I entered the book from hole number 2, leaving a little loose thread at the back to tie later. Next, I exit the book from hole number 1. Again enter the book from hole number 2. Exit the book from hole number 3. Enter the book from hole number 4. Last, exit the book from hole number 3. Turn it over. Tie up a knot neatly. Trim the loose threads close to the knot. This notebook or scrapbook or album is ready. Now you can decorate it as you like. Or add colored covers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon, like and comment.